Thing as you mentioned about quality metrics, I mean, obviously reducing ability, that is absolutely true. And a part of that is also getting a non-diluted data, right? So, I mean, you can still say, the adenoma detection rates of withdrawal times. I mean, a lot of these times, these are numbers that, by the end of the case, the gastroenterologist, yeah, sure, it took me 9 minutes. So today it took me 12 minutes. And yes, you're supposed to have that thing in the operating room that, entry and exit, you note out the time, and, rarely you get an objective data for it. At the end of the day, it is a very, kind of subjective number. That is another thing what the robot can do. It can give you an objective number of withdrawal time, can give you, ADRs, which are much more objective. And number two, using the same metric, it is observable through the community. So for example, the withdrawal time that it says for you, the ADR that it says for you in Connecticut is the same as the metric. The methods of measuring are the same as what is in Texas or California. Even if you have, let's say, 40 clinics, for example, you can find out exactly that, okay, well, the non-operative time in this particular endoscopy center or the throughput of patients is in the lowest 10th percentile. And that does not mean it is good, but that means there are opportunities of quality improvement.